Welcome to TechPulse. Today we'll be looking at amazing machines next level, most powerful factory machines, showcasing machines so powerful and advanced that they truly operate at another level. Get ready for extreme technology. Let's begin.
An automatic arm cuts wet cement with a wire, skillfully shaping it into bricks. This machine efficiently stretches tires, allowing for a seamless wheel. A rotating plucking machine efficiently removes feathers from a whole chicken. Hot plastic is quickly molded to produce weather-resistant car floor mats. Molten metal is effortlessly reshaped in a factory press. A robot with knife-equipped arms cuts meat into ground meat. This machine effortlessly crushes large rocks into smaller pieces. Be amazed by the incredible precision as this craftsman cuts metal into perfect circles. This machine bends large pipes in multiple directions for specific applications. A shredder recycles a broken bicycle by smashing it into pieces. This machine securely wraps tubes to ensure tight and convenient packaging. This bandsaw effortlessly cuts multiple rebar pieces with precision and ease. Plastic water bottles are transformed by being dipped in water to achieve a unique custom design. We save time and effort by tossing potato peels into this peeler machine, which peels them all at once while spinning, instead of doing it one by one. A fascinating machine precisely carves and shapes screwdriver tips. Watch as this machine showcases its skills and precision in woodworking. This is a perfect tool for seamlessly welding two pipes together. The texture on ratchet handles is crafted with a precision machine. A hydraulic rotary cutter for excavators is used to grind through tough materials. These hydraulic leg extenders make it easy to reach high places effortlessly.